Hello everyone, today I'm going to show my homework solution to Poem Recorder's how to use a spline tool, and the homework assignment was to make his coffee mug, and here it is. So let me show you the sketch. Basically it is two splines that are offsetted, so this spline right here goes up, and then I offsetted that 2 millimeters. And then I did another spline, which was this one, and I offsetted that 2 millimeters, and then I just connected them together right here. I used a couple dimensions, but of course it's very hard to make a fully constrained sketch using splines, so I did the best I could. But it looks a lot like it, and I just added the appearance of like a glass. Let me get to the section analysis so you can see that. So this is cut in half basically, and you can see I made it insulated. So this is the bottom, and it goes up, curves around, and then it turns inward like that. Just like that. This was a quick video, but I hope you enjoyed, and bye.